Hi, this is Tammy Frazier, Education Consultant with IVS. Welcome to part 3 of our Exploring My Content video tutorial series. In the first two videos, we looked at how to add and organize objects within My Content. In this video, I'd like to show you how to add an entire page into My Content for easy access later on. Here's an example of something our teachers might store as a page within My Content. Everything's already been formatted one time, and we're able to drag this in every day and just double-click and edit any parts that need editing as our routine changes. So here's how to get that page within My Content so we can access it every day. I do first want to open up the My Content folder in the gallery and select the subfolder where I'd like that page to be stored. Once I've chosen my destination folder, I'm going to navigate to the Page Sorter tab. So this will work just a little bit differently than adding objects from the page. Within the Page Sorter, we're going to choose the page that we'd like to add and choose the drop-down menu in the upper right-hand corner. The menu option we're looking for is Add Page to Gallery. Once I've added a page to the gallery, it's going to appear in the lower panel within the folder marked Notebook, Files, and Pages. I do want to go in that Notebook, Files, and Pages folder and rename my page if I haven't already done so. So let's go back to our agenda. And I first want to tell the system where I'd like that page to be stored. In this case, I'd like it to go into Classroom Management, so I'm going to select the Classroom Management folder. Next, I'm going to navigate to the Page Sorter tab, and you'll see all the pages I have in my file. And I'd like to use the drop-down menu with my agenda page and select Add Page to Gallery. This is going to add that page within the Notebook, Files, and Pages subfolder. And you'll see that this particular page does not have a name yet. I can name it the same way I name my object. So I'm going to select it within the folder down below and choose that drop-down menu and give the name. So now this page is accessible every day within the Classroom Management folder. I'll share with you a couple more ideas of what you might store into My Content as a page. Perhaps you've put together some graph paper and Axis and you'd like to use that again. Storing it into the gallery allows you to access it easily every time you have Notebook software launched. You may also have interactives that you'd like your students to have access to. In this case, this is one of those randomizers, where I can randomly select students. I might put this together, store it as a page within My Content so that I can access it at any point in instruction. Any type of diagrams or flowcharts, I'd probably want to put those within a folder marked Templates or Diagrams. So hopefully you're able to find a couple of pages you'd like to add to your content. Stay tuned for our final video in this tutorial series.